Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use another kind of online map. This time, we are going to use OpenStreetMap with the JavaScript library of leaflet. You can see this is actually OpenStreetMap. And let me show you the result. We run the server. Okay, we run the server and we make it listen on 88, the part number. Then we go to 88 and leaflet HTML. You can see we get the map. Let's refresh the page. And you get the map. It's wonderful. The network is not as fast as we wanted to, but anyway, the map comes, and you can see we got contributors of leaflet and OpenStreetMap. OpenStreetMap is another, I believe it's open source map, because when we do Hong Kong map, why we need to use different Google Map is good, it's wonderful. But also Bing, Microsoft Bing.com, Bing Map is good. But for Hong Kong citizens, because those big companies, they are very easy to get affected by Beijing. So you cannot depend on only one map. You have to make sure your project is not vulnerable. It's not dropped or deleted when they got pressure from Beijing. So this time we demonstrate the OpenStreetMap, and let me show you the code, the programming code. Actually, it's very simple. I put everything in one file, and the file is less than 100 lines of code. First, it's a basic HTML document, and this is the link from leaflet.js. So the library is leaflet. Leaflet is an open source JavaScript library. It's also okay for mobile phones. If you are using it on mobile phones, it should be okay. And the leaflet is a library, so we are using this library by this line. We got leaflet, but this version it's 0.7.3. I believe it's not a very good version, so we are going to update this piece of code. We got it from the leaflet tutorial, and let's just copy those line of code and put it to our file. Okay, forgive me if I am slow software writer. Okay, we just paste those code. Now we get link, we get new link and new script, so we're going to update it. We're going to delete or comment out the old link, and okay, I forgot, change back the mode. And the link, CSS link and the script link, we should comment out those and keep the new link and the new script. You can see the difference is the new link, we are using the one version leaflet version 1.5. And also we are using the leaflet version 1.5 for the JavaScript source. So this should be good. And okay, we are going to refresh our page. We don't need to restart our server, but anyway, to put it clear, we restart our server and refresh our page. Let's see what's happened. Okay, I put it in a small window to show you the leaflet OpenStreet and where it comes from. Let's check back our code. It happens here. Prince Edward is the latitude and longitude of the subway station MTR Prince Edward. And I already checked out the latitude and the longitude of the Prince Edward of Hong Kong. It's here. It's a marker. How to get rid of the marker? I show you the map remove layer. Let's get rid of the marker. You can see we have a blue drop marker here. It's the location of the disaster of 31st August when Hong Kong police attacking a lot of passengers inside the subway station. Okay, remove the marker and you can see the map. We got the map, and let me show you where we get the rest of it on the map. How we get the map. The map is a leaflet map. Leaflet is in short, commonly it occupies one uppercase letter. It's here. You can see it's here. It's air, big air. Air.map. This make a map, and the keyword map has been used in our HTML file as the div. The div got an ID of map, and we use the div to create the map. The center of the map, actually, let's change it to Prince Edward. Prince Edward, make Prince Edward station at the center of the map, and the zoom level is 12. How about we change it to 10? 10 make the viewport a little bit larger, and we see the result after minutes. Let's finish other things. All the rest extras, we're going to cover it later. And title layout. Title layout, you can see we get something. We get something add on top of the map as a tail layer, and we declare contributor and write down the link of the OpenStreetMap. Here we write down a link as OpenStreetMap because we're using OpenStreetMap. Okay, let's write it and check the result. We run the server at localhost. Port number is 8080. Leaflet HTML. Okay. If you remember, we changed the zoom level from 12 to 10, so you can see the map include a little bit large area. Shenzhen, the city, got included. Hong Kong is in dotland, actually inside the dotland. It included all the island of Hong Kong and the new territories, colon. The marker is still there. Let's remove the marker. We use a simple command because inside our HTML file, the JavaScript, we use the variable map to save the to save the variable map, to save a map object, and the tile layer add to map. So we got the variable map, and we have a marker. We have a marker is created by air.marker, and we put Prince Edward at the location of the marker, and we add it to add to map. So we get a marker and a tile layer. Tile layer show up here. You can see we got the leaflet, the library we're using, and OpenStreetMap is a map provider. Currently we're doing this tutorial, and let's see, we have a function to demo more capability of the leaflet. See, we add a circle and we add a polygon. Then we put this function inside the function named as add circle and polygon. So we're going to demo this function. Remove demo. Of course, the marker isn't there. So let's add the marker back to the map. Add to, map is a variable name. You can see the marker, and we're going to add a few other things. You can see we add a circle on the map, and we add a triangle on the map. The center of the circle is Prince Edward, where Prince Edward Station, MTR station, subway station, is where the tragedy happened. When Hangang police rushed into the station and beat up citizens terribly, and they called those passengers inside the Prince Edward Station as rioters, as cockroach, and they used baton and elite force to beat their citizens. Then, so we get with a mark. This kind of demonstration I will currently show you by less than 100 of line of code. It's very simple, and last time I showed you how to use Google Map to put something on the map. This time we use another map provider, and we show you how to draw a map and make sure it can be used by different browser and mobile phones. Then I just show you how simple it is to put some marker on the map. When we need to put marker on the map, we use a marker. We build a marker and add it to map. Then if we want to add a circle to the map, we build a circle, give it a center, give a latitude and longitude as the center, and we add it to the map. Then when we want to add a polygon to the map, we build a polygon, use the leaflet polygon, give a center, give 3 points. This time we give 3 points because how can we give it 7? Make it to be okay. Let's keep on to show you if we get something. No, we didn't we didn't finish the pop-up. We didn't finish the pop-up. Okay, I will do it next time. if I have chance, I'm going to show you how to make pop-up onto the map. Okay. Basically, it's very simple to use the leaflet and different kind of online maps, and to make some interesting things happen with less than 100 lines of code and a single file. Okay. Recently, I found this function. It's HKMap. Actually, it got a lot of attention, a lot of talks around. It's right now what happened in Hong Kong. You can see that this afternoon people planned to make a protest parade in Hong Kong, but police just send out a route troop to destroy their attempts to make a peaceful demonstration, and the protesters get I believe they are already get beaten by police. You can see the water cannon currently is here. Water cannon, and policemen deployed along those red areas. And, let's see if we can check some video. This afternoon it happens. You can see a lot of people, they come out and they try to make a peaceful demonstration that they want some basic human rights, and they want to know what happened. For example, in so many times the riot police crash on those peaceful protesters, and what happened, you can see they already set up it's supposed to be peaceful, but let's see. You can see the popo is here. The popo is on top of the building. They already start to shooting with I believe live bullet is still seldom, but it happened. Mostly they're shooting with the rubber bullet and tear gas, and, to push peaceful protest into disaster. So people, this is popo. This is hkmap.live. It's a real-time map, and it finished far more function comparing to our simple demonstration, our simple tutorial. But our tutorial can serve as technical demonstration, how you can finish such kind of things, and how you can make your application not so vulnerable from single map provider, because you know Apple already dropped or deleted this application from Apple Store. Those big companies very easily get affected from Beijing. They want money, they drop those applications, help those peaceful protesters. You can see police force deployed alongside the peaceful demonstrations route, and I believe today they're going to enjoy around the beating up of their fellow citizens, those popo zangi. So basically, if it's possible, we want to find simple technical materials to set up a real-time application similar as HKMap, but with the different results, with the different programming language, with the different backend Mac provider, and the different design of gaming or something like. So thank you if this helps. Basically, this is the code. I put the code to where I put out the sample code. This is You can find the code to, let me see. You can find all those code on GitHub. I believe the name is HK. Okay. And of course, you can find the library we are using at Leaflet. They also has put their code to GitHub. It's open source JavaScript library. And our file named as leaflet.html. Quite simple to finish it in minutes into the here you can find it. Let's push it to let me push it to the GitHub repository. Okay, my network isn't fast enough, so it takes quite a few minutes to finish the pushing to the repository. This repository is a public repository, so you can access the code anytime. It should be put inside the static file. Yes, we use a static file, and we use a node.js server to serve the static files. The name is leaflet. Okay, thank you. A simple program to demo you another way to use the online map and put something circle, marker, and polygons, triangles on the map. If I have time, I will show you how to put some image of purple and zombies on the map. You know, in Hong Kong, the basic problem is there is 30,000 zombies. They are attacking the city. So how can you protect your city from attacking of 30,000 zombies? It's the same problem. It's the same challenge. The weapons the attacker used are baton, shell, pepper spray, tear gas, rubber bullet, beanbag bullet, pistol, assault rifle, sniper rifle, and armed vehicle. But what kind of weapons those citizens can use to protect themselves is mobile phone. Basically, it's umbrella and mobile phone. So we're going to use mobile phone. If we can use mobile phones to build up an information system, then we give citizens a kind of protection, a kind of possibility to give more protection to citizens. So attackers, you can think they are zombies, purple. Currently, they call Hong Kong police purple or Hong Kong police. They are same thing. Royal police or elite police, special agents. The number of them, the strength is 30,000 plus, and defenders is citizen. And some people think at least 2 million of the total 7 million citizens is actively protesting the current government. But some think that still the majority of the citizens is the silent majority. They didn't play so active to protest against the government, but so we call them silent majority. And the weapons, the difference of the attacker and defender, the weapon is the citizen has no weapon. They are fighting with empty hand. So this is why this kind of information system can be very important to help as protection of the city, which is currently attacking by 30,000 zombies, it's the same problem, it's the same challenge, but basically we are far from finished. We just start. It just start point to use online map and put something on the map, and then we try to build something similar to HK map, where is similar to HK map to give people more and more information, and to give power to the number, because this kind of system is not going to have people, because this kind of system only give power to the population, to the average people, and to those people has no weapon, has no intention of violence, and give them a system to protect themselves. Okay, maybe I'm not very good at explain and doing tutorial, but hope this help. Hope this help. This is what's happening in Hong Kong streets right now. We just sent the red police force, zombie army alongside the protesters road and destroy a peaceful protesting and torture those citizens in streets. Okay, bye bye.